All right, you guys, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 541. Final destination of that train is San Jose Deardown Station. Here she comes now. A special guest is on this train, relevant with us. Cincy Lee, 2001 F59 PHI is now arriving. Once again, this is Amtrak 541 arriving. A very special guest, Cincy Lee, is on this train. He's rail fanning with us all the way from Sacramento. Excuse me.
I can't get on this one, can I? No, I gotta take the 8.
Yeah, the 8th.
Yeah.
That was going to San Jose.
Huh?
This one's going to San Jose.
Yeah.
Haven't seen 2001 F59 PHI in a while. There goes Stinson Beach right there in the middle. A Surfliner cat car. Not cat car, Surfliner car. Ooh, excuse me. I got the allergies, folks. Please excuse me while I sneezing. Alright, folks. Amtrak Capital Corridor Train 541 to San Jose. Now departing Fremont Centerville. 2001 F59 PHI. Mount Temple Pines. And there go that train. San Jose. Thank you for watching. I'm Marcel Hall at the Centerville meetup with all the rail fanners. You can see them all right there. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.